My name is Rune. I work at Albatross Travel and been involved with the Adventure Marathon since the very first Great Wall Marathon in 1999. Well, we can say that our races are organized by runners, for runners, and that's a big advantage for everyone, I think. I'm a passionate runner myself and know the importance of organizing just a perfect marathon. The Solar Eclipse Marathon takes place in Port Douglas, north of Cairns in Australia. The marathon and the half marathon route start on the beautiful 4 Mile beach, goes through sugarcane fields, the rainforest, and ends up back in Port Douglas with the most beautiful and scenic finish area ever. So come and join me at the Adventure Marathon team for the Solar Eclipse Marathon 2012.